Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you Tangerine how to dispute a charge. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. In order to dispute a charge on Tangerine, the first thing that you need to do is open the Tangerine app. Then once you open it, be sure to be logged into Tangerine Bank. Then once that's done, next step is to select the account or card. Simply tap on account or credit card and then choose your checking for debit purposes or credit card for card transactions. Then once you select it, next step is to find the transaction. Simply tap the transaction you don't recognize and then open the transaction details. The next step is to start the dispute. Once you're inside the transaction, simply tap on a dispute transaction or get help. If you don't see it, simply tap on contact us option or choose a secure message. The next step is to choose the reason. Select the reason for the dispute. For example, unauthorized charge, wrong amount, wanted issue, duplicate charge. The next step is to submit the dispute. Simply review the details and submit, and add notes if needed, and screenshot or receipts may help as well. Then last step is to wait for review. Tangerine reviews your dispute and investigation can take a few weeks. Temporary credit card or credit may be issued and updates sent via app or email. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, and see you soon on the next one.